I was slipping down the sidewalk. Summer after college, met a lifeguard. She was just a figment of a daydream, wishing she would dive and come and save me. We were at a party up in Cape Cod, jumping in the water at the lake dock. Sun was in her eyes and it was so hot, but I'm the boy that she was trying to blow up, 'cause she wants a guy that has a bad boy reputation. I don't wanna ruin my vacation by falling in.
Like this?
Nutella. Try. It's good.
Para siyang ice cream.
Paano gustuhan mo? It's good? Yung coffee mo?
Yung egg niya dun is luto na yan. Halfway. Cook halfway.
Tempered. Ano? Bilis na.
Speechless.
Creamy. Kaya titry natin.
Sarap. Cold yung sa'yo.
Sarap naman natin dito.
Hot din yan. Ay, condensed sa'yo ba eh?
Wala saan.
Oo. Sulit yun.
Gatin din?
Oo, ma'am. Ganyan talaga.
Halo na siya.
Ano? Ano sasabi mo?
Sarap.
My turn.
Sarap lang kaya ito dito.
Yung akin, coconut matcha.
Sabi ni mama.
Barakong barak.
Oh, ito.
Sarap lang sa akin, coconut matcha.
Sarap pala matcha.
Ano ito? Egg. Egg ba yan?
Okay, next.
Ikaw lang malamig. Ha?
Yung lasa nito.
Matcha.
Parang may buhangin.
Excuse me.
Something, there's something extreme inside.
Matcha yun.
Ha?
Matcha. Buhangin daw yung matcha.
Yes.
Dami ng tao. Off to church. Maganda.
Sa church na siya. Kasi papa. Anong bilbi pa?
It's giving. We here. Papa, anong rating mo?
Dito? 89.
Wow. Speechless na naman. Ikaw ma, 10 out of 10.
Satisfactory rin. 9.
Ikaw?
9.
Ikaw? So 10.
11.
Ay, wow. Siya umubos. Inubos niya lahat. Scale. Okay lang. Chilling. 10 out of 10. Pasalubong time. Mamimili na kayo ng pasalubong nyo. Ano si Papa? Love si Papa. Ayun, layo na.
Lapit lang. Narating na namin.
Tawid time. Ha? Ang cute! For the babies. Ito na yung mga pasalubong nila pa uwi ng Pinas. Ayan na yung mga uwi nila. Dami. Wow! Ganda naman dito. Okay, tawid na naman tayo! Shopping time. Filipiniana ni Sis. Dito. Sino ba nagpatupad nun, Sis? True. Okay na yan. Ay, cute yung baby blue actually. Para hindi palaging pink. Oh, we're with our family. Yeah. We are back. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. They're here. This here? My sis is here. With Mad. Chill time. Ha? Ano, Papa?
Ano yung itinerary mo doon?
Sa?
Sa Thailand.
Hello, Mama. Pag-iarap mo sa amin. Ayan.
Okay.
Hello. Naka-record na yan.
Hi, boy! Ang mata ni Dabuhi at ni Lenlen. Ito ang panalo.
Guys, itong panalo, guys. Going to dinner. We're here.
Chelsea man known by number champion store.
Hello. Papa. Parang may tumatahol dito. Rar, 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 rar. Rar, 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 rar.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? that's cool.
Narinig niyo yun, guys. Live.
Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head to open. Cause that's what I feel like doing tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same. Want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can.
Anong sauce nito?
Hindi ko chinek, pero ito I think
Marami pa talaga ako. Pag bumalik ako dito,
from the doctor.
Len, pag bumalik ako dito, may pera pa.
Tama ma.
Dito kami. Mag-Vietnam ulit kami. Magkano yan, Len?
500 kami ni Ate Lee.
Tapos si The Boy.
All the boy.
Ay, ala.
Ganito yung bayaran namin ng bagal.
Ay, 100 na lang.
Ay wait, meron pa ako.
Bayaran pa may laundry.
Ayo, may laundry pa. Wait.
Len, itnib na lang.
Oh, etneb.
Ang simple ito.
Ito pa yung pera ko.
Habang niyo.
Bigay ko sa'yo to.
Alin ko yan?
But, pera mo yun. Kailangan mo yun.
Yay, meron akong Thailand money.
Magagamit mo.
Next month.
Uy, mamaya kailangan.
Kasi ano ito.
Oo. Papa! Oh, maganda to. Ay, ito maganda to. Thank you. Hello. Ayun, ang dami arts sa taas. Ano to, postcard? Ako din. Plain lang yun sa bahay. Maganda yun para lahat ng... Uy, gusto ko to. Pwede na siya. Nahiya ako siya. Ate, sabi niya sa kapor mo na siya. Ayos na, boss. Ayos na, boss. Panis. Ayan na pa. Siya manlilibre na siya. Ate, ako din! I'm your sister! Okay, withdraw time. Ate, di, I'm your sister! Ate, di, I'm your sister! Dami mo namang gusto. Pinakyaw ko. Let's go! Nabudol niya si Doc. Ginilt trip niya. Okay, last night na. Bye, Hanoi. Gusto ko sana magkape dito eh.
Hi.
Ay, yung laundry ko.
Kunin mo na yung laundry.
Okay.
Sorry, we need to take off the laundry.
Oh, right here.
Okay. This one.
This is the saddest part. Bye. Bye-bye. Wow, feeling. Bye-bye.
Baby, when I look in your eyes, I can see you as a child. The river gives us every good thing, and then it takes it all away. Don't take me.
Delayed yung flight nila yun eh.
Yay! Nakasama po namin si Colin.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Baby, when I look in your eyes,
Bye,
I
guys.
can see you as a child. The river gives us every good thing, and then it takes